Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a wire brush, and battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so please wear safety gloves and eye protection. Make sure your Odyssey is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for everyone involved. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery under the hood, typically on the driver's side. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. It's usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10 mm wrench for this. Once the negative is loose, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps. With the terminals disconnected, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be mindful of its weight, as car batteries can be quite heavy. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your wire brush and terminal cleaner. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Now, gently place the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated securely. It's time to connect your new battery. Remember, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Use your 10 mm wrench to tighten both connections firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Replace any hold-down clamps you removed earlier. Once everything is secure, start your Honda Odyssey to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.